Four boats are longing, sail across enough of sorrow, enough for yearning, yearning, yearning. Four boats of lovers, wash away the tears of the Nile. Yeah. She goes like a mast in the wind, say goodbye. Birds in the sky spreading grief when they fly in the sky of the Nile. Sorrow take flight, tears falling heavy in the dead of the night. Final greetings, last embrace. Tears on the river can't hide the trace. Promises whispered, never fulfilled. In the twilight of the Nile, our pain stands still. All boats are longing, sail across enough of sorrow, enough for yearning, yearning, yearning. All boats are lovers, wash away the tears of the Nile. Stars rise high in two hearts that bleed, warm in the sorrow of the ones in need. They shine for the silent, the voice is gone, guiding the weak to keep moving on. Our harbors close in for the souls that wait, carrying prayers for the ones too late. In the eyes of the broken, patience grows, mourning the precious, the river knows. Our boats are longing, sail across enough of sorrow, enough for yearning, yearning, yearning. Our boats are lovers, wash away the tears of the Nile. Look. One blink, one breath, and the soul takes flight. The master calls home in the dead of night. Parents find peace, the wounded heal. Broken hearts calm with the waves they feel. The defeated rest, the tide runs low. Peace in the farewell, let forgiveness flow. We part with truth, with love so real. Together united, the Nile will heal. Sail across enough of sorrow, enough for yearning, yearning, yearning. Four boats of lovers,